Hi! What we're going to do today is deleting a Telegram account permanently. Let's start by opening our Telegram account. Then go to menu by clicking this icon, then tap Settings. Tap Telegram FAQ. Scroll down until we reach your account. Find and click to delete your Telegram account. You will be routed to this page, then tap the activation page. You will be asked to enter your Telegram phone number. After you enter your phone number, you may click Next. Then a confirmation code will be sent to your Telegram. Let's go back to the main page to get that confirmation code. Type and copy the code. Then we will be going back to the deactivation page to paste the confirmation code. You may paste the code, then hit sign in. In that way, our Telegram account will be permanently deleted.